donuts on my channel, Cookie's Kitchen. If you're new here, you're so much welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're gonna stay till the end. If you come umerudi tena, karibu sana. So guys, as you have seen on the headlines, on the title, today we are making a breakfast recipe. We are making cinnamon donuts, guys. This is one of my amazing times, those one times when you're just tired with bread and you want to try something new for breakfast. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my cinnamon donut recipe right away. Let's get to the ingredients. All right guys, with me here I have warm milk. This is 1 glass of warm milk. Then we're making cinnamon donuts, so here is my ingredients: cinnamon. Then I have here sugar, half a cup is almost 7 tablespoons. Then I have salt. Then this is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then with me here I have 2 melted tablespoons of butter, sorry guys, of margarine. Then I have with me here 2 eggs. Of course I have my flour. Because of time, I had sieved my flour and I did not shoot that part, so guys, please make sure to sieve your flour. So right away we're just going to go and start. All right guys, and to my first step, I'm going to pour in my milk here. Let me just leave some. Then I'm going to beat my eggs here. That's 1. And that's 2. Nicely. Then I'm going to come in with my sugar. Remember, this is half a cup, almost to 7 tablespoons of sugar, guys. Then if you have a whisk, even better, so just mix them in. So guys, it's okay. So we're going to come in with our melted butter. Guys, this is Blue Band. If you don't have butter, you can just use Blue Band. Margarine, these are 2 tablespoons melted. Then again, mix it all in nicely. So when it's all good, we've already mixed our, what is this now called? Wet ingredients. Yeah, so now let's mix our dry ingredients. So guys, after you've mixed your wet ingredients, we're now coming to our dry ingredients over here. This is my flour. Remember guys, I had just sieved it, and because of time I did not record that part. This is 2 cups. Then with me, I'm going to come in with 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. If you have instant yeast, you can use that. Then I'm going to come in and add in our cinnamon, because we are making cinnamon donuts, right? I'm only going to use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, like that. And I'm going to, okay, sorry guys, forgotten about the salt. So, and guys, we're also going to add in a pinch of salt, almost half a teaspoon, like that, of salt. Then I'm going to just mix them in like this. And this is okay. I'm now going to come in and pour in my, like so. Then obviously we're not going to use our hands to knead this dough. So guys, at this time I'm going to transfer it to my surface so that I can knead it easily and nicely. So guys, my dough is okay. I can see it's not sticky that much. iko sawa. This dough is now ready. Remember tumeweka baking powder, so we are going to let it rest. It depends, the better when you let it rest overnight, but kama uko kwa haraka, 3 hours is not bad. So we are going to let this rest for 3 hours. I'm going to return my dough here. And I'm going to cover it and let it rest for 3 hours. If you have a foil, a cling film, the better. But I'm going to use this. You have to make sure when you cover it, you give it space to rise because itafura. So mine haijafika chini, so this is okay. So yeah. So guys, let's check our dough. It's been 3 hours to be exact. Guys, see now there's a difference. It has raised, and it's even better when you let it rest overnight. So let me just go to my next step. I love how it's looking, and yeah, it looks good, right? So yeah, let's go into our next step. So guys, I'm going to partition this into I present to you my donuts. In a few minutes that will be looking amazing. So let's get to our oil. So my oil is ready. Just do like this to check it. Kiona inafanya hivyo, it's ready. So I will carefully dip in. Carefully guys, pole pole. Just give it time. Turtles, guys, oh my god, inakaa fiti. Just turn them slowly. So guys, and as simple as that, my donuts are ready. So I'm just gonna remove them one by one. Guys, I can tell you the whole house is literally the best aroma ever. Presenting to you guys my cinnamon donut over here, guys. You'll see that. Okay, let's see. So guys, this is the simplest recipe ever you'll ever get. It's so simple, obviously always budget friendly in Koki's Kitchen. If you may allow me, zishapoa, let me just take a bite. I had sprinkled some icing sugar on it just to be extra, you know. So I don't know, guys. Look at it. Look at that. It is so moist now. Oh god. Hmm. You tell me. I won't lie. Hmm. Best ever. That cinnamon. Iyo mayai. That margarine. They have all incorporated very nicely. And then you just take this one with your cup of tea and you're good to go. So it's good once in a while to just change breakfast recipes. You try something new. I hope this has been informative. I hope this has been helpful, guys. So till next time, from me to you guys, bye bye. So there goes my final. I decided again, guys, to just play around with some little chocolate, some little margarine, sugar, and milk to get this icing. This chocolate, I don't know if it's icing or what, that's on top. Yeah, it's just a random idea that came to me. So maybe you might be wondering how I did this. In a sphere, just add in your chocolate, normal drinking chocolate, add in margarine, add in some little sugar, add in milk, then stir until it's kind of thick. Then just spread it on top. Yep, and you have your donuts. Then for these white ones, I just mixed in my icing sugar and some little water. Yep, I love it. And there goes your homemade cinnamon donuts. Yo, man. Yo, yo.